Bonjour et bienvenue dans un nouvel épisode de French with Taha. In today's video, you are going to learn the articles in French. So let's get started. In French, there are three types of articles. Les articles indéfinis, or the indefinite articles, les articles définis, or the definite articles, and les articles partitifs, or the partitive articles. Let's start with the indefinite articles. But first of all, it is to know that the French nouns are gendered. Each noun has a gender, masculine or feminine. The articles are used according to the gender of the noun. So, while learning a word in French, it is advised to learn it along with the indefinite articles. For example, while learning the French for a cat, don't only learn chat. Learn instead un chat. That will help you in the long run. Now let's start with the indefinite articles. The indefinite articles in French are un, une, des. Un and une are for singular nouns, and des is used for plural nouns. More specifically, un is used for the masculine nouns, and une is used for feminine nouns, and des is used for the plural form of both masculine and feminine nouns. Let's now see the uses of indefinite articles in French. The indefinite articles, or les articles indéfinis, are used for the indefinite things, that is, for the things that are not specified. These articles translate to a, an, some in English. Un, une translate to a or an, and des translates to the plural form of the word or some. For example, je veux un sac. I want a bag. Il y a un agenda sur la table. There is a diary on the table. Il a besoin d'une règle. He needs a scale. Des sacs sont utiles. Bags are useful. Let's see some more examples. Un sac, un agenda, une règle, des sacs, des agendas, des règles. After that, we have les articles définis, or the definite articles. The definite articles are le, la, et l'apostrophe les. They translate to the in English. Le is used before the masculine nouns, la is used before the feminine nouns, and les is used before the plural nouns. Et l'apostrophe or l'apostrophe is used before the nouns that start with a vowel. All these translate to the in English. Now, let's see the uses of the definite articles. Firstly, the definite articles are used for indicating specific things. For example, le sac bleu est vide. The blue bag is empty. It is also used in general cases. For example, j'adore la règle. I like the scale. Then the definite articles are used with date and days of the week. For example, je vais aller à l'école le lundi. I will go to school on Monday. After that, these articles are used with country, continent, and languages. For example, la France est un pays très connu. France is a very well-known country. J'apprends le français. I learn French. Then it's used with body parts. Je me brosse les dents. I brush my teeth. It's also used with the title of a person like Bonjour, monsieur le directeur. Hello, director. It is also used in case of universal truth. For example, le soleil se lève à l'est. Here, le is the definite article. Now, let's see some more examples of definite articles. Le sac, l'agenda, la règle, les sacs, les agendas, les règles. Now, there is another type of article left, and that is les articles partitifs, or the partitive articles. These are du, de la, do et l'apostrophe, and des. For the masculine nouns, du is used, and de la is used for the feminine words. Do et l'apostrophe is used for the words starting with a vowel, and finally, des is used for the plural words. These articles translate to some in English. The partitive articles are used to indicate something whose quantity is not known. For example, du fromage, some cheese. J'ai bu de l'eau, I drank some water. We don't know how much. These articles are formed by adding de and the definite articles. For example, de plus le, c'est du, de plus la, de la, de plus les, des. However, in case of negation, all these articles du, de la, de l'apostrophe de turn into de. For example, je n'ai pas d'idée. I don't have any idea. Je ne mange pas de fromage. I don't eat cheese. Now let's see some more examples. Du chocolat, some chocolate, we don't know how much. De la confiture, de l'eau, we don't know how much. De l'huile, du riz, des céréales. Did you understand? So that's all about the articles in French. Hope this video helped you. Donc, merci à tous et à la prochaine. Au revoir.